welcome back to my channel. It is your girl NJLoves and I'm here today with a whole new video for you. Today's video, as promised in my last, I'm going to be doing a flip through and a little update of my Mulberry Pocket Planner with the Postman lock. So I am really enjoying using this planner. It's so cute. I'm absolutely in love with this. It's perfect, and yeah, I want to show you how I've updated the inserts and how I'm finding using them. So if planner, sticker, stationery and all of that fun stuff is not for you, please check out other videos on my channel. But for now, I'm going to jump in and I'm going to get things started. Okay, so not much has changed from the outset. I still have my Lucy Plans Life clips in as deco and I absolutely love how these look. One thing I have changed with this is the actual size of the clip though. So what I've done, this is from Kubo and Lucy. So one of my recent purchases, I picked up this clip. This was the clip that the charms were initially on. So I literally just unpinned it from here and put it on the Kubo and Lucy one, and just to show you in comparison, like it does make a big difference. So yeah, a little hack for you guys: if you wanted to downsize the clip, you can literally just swap it out. It's really simple. Okay, so I've added in my Holiday paper sampler freebie, which I absolutely love. I love the colours, they're just absolutely stunning. And I've also got my cloth and paper sample sticker sheets that I had in there before. Okay, so the very front hasn't changed much. I've added in a fly leaf to protect my etched dashboard here from Sortie 22 because it was starting to get scratched. If you can see here, yeah, it was definitely starting to get a bit scratched up from the clip. Front dashboards are the same. Okay, this is also the same, my self-care sheets. And as well, I'm still clipping the Lucy Plans clip to the page dashboard that I really like. And this is two. This is a vellum and a cardstock, which is just before my inbox. I really love this self-love dashboard. And this is from Tulle and Twine. This is a freebie. This is the inbox dashboard from Sortie 22. Okay, so this dashboard is a new one. This is from Cloth and Paper, very popular inbox glass dashboard. I love this, and it's perfect because it's in the inbox section. These sheets here are from Paper Test Designs, and I really love these. This is my minimal planner, and this is printed on some acetate. Another Sortie 22 of this. This was a freebie from Royal Planner, and I believe she's got new releases as well. In the agenda section, I still have the insert that came with the planner, like so. So it's a year. Okay, so that's what that is. And I'm using the Kubo and Lucy clip, which I really love here, to hold it together. So this will be new, and this is from Funny Plans. Love this, some vellum. My monthly section here. So this here, this jelly dashboard is from Catspressco, and I have the noted hustle card, which I absolutely love, here in there. And then at the back I have from Sequins and Paper the Self-Love University clear card with the white text, which is really cute. I'll let you guys take a look at that. Then one of my new purchases from my page shopping haul. So I love this. Such a true statement. And again, you get the option where you can have the vellum alone, but I did the vellum with the linen cardstock, and I love the nude tone there. You're able to see the colour, so pretty. From Sortie 22 I have the monthly overview, which I printed on some textured paper, and I got myself the cloth and paper, I'll show you here, the cloth and paper monthly overviews, and I love these because they're literally the miniature version to the A5 size that I use in my main planner. So again, we've got the same for April, and it looks like this, and I love how you know, you can use the little icon stickers in here. From Mindy Plans, still using this dashboard right here. This one is from Cloth and Paper, and then I love this dashboard as well, again Catspresco, another page dashboard. Here is Mindy Plan, and I thought that it looked perfect on top of the Hey Planner Girl freebie dashboard also. The colours just work so well together, and this has got like a bit of the blush pink too, so it's very, very pretty. Now I go into the week section, and these top tabs are also Sortie 22 and they are customizable. And then I have here the weekly agenda from Noted, and I absolutely love these designs. I think they're perfect for high level planning. You literally just map out the most important things in these boxes, and I've had no problem with the size of these. So I really love from Dove Note Co. this dashboard, and it says, I am a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me. So this is really, really nice, and I printed this again on some acetate and have just attached it to the daily section. These again from Noted. Absolutely love my undated dailies, because look at that, like I've literally been able to fill them. It looks super cute. It holds all the information I could possibly need. I'm able to add deco, so yeah. And the stickers, the majority of the stickers here are from Page, and these ones are from Capping and Paper. So this is my Royal Planner dashboard, my Aesthetic dashboard, and EO Edits. So this is from Infinite Lotus, and then it goes into Plan, and here I keep my like meal planning. Okay, and this section over here is from my minimal planner, and I really love this. I've just put a couple of cloth and paper stickies at the back. My task section. Yeah. This again is from Noted. I like to make lists. From Crescent Planner, and I got in the acetate as an A5 piece of paper, and I literally just cut it down. It is from Noted. Love this dashboard too. I then have my tracking section, which I keep my shopping, tracking, online orders and things like that. So I've been filling this out. This here, let me move this to the side. This here is from Never Plan Danny, and I really, really like this. And I've got the other one which has the initial N. Then also over here, this is my tracker from Paper Test Designs, and I love this. I definitely got some inspo from Amanda Lee Plans for how she, with the topics that she was using for tracking, definitely helped me be able to utilize this insert. This is Sortie 22 from the Etsy shop. And then this is the clear version of this, literally the clear version. And in here I have Noted journaling card, and then I have a cloth and paper freebie, and these are from Sequins and Paper. I don't know if I mentioned what cards were in this one, but these are also from Noted. And then there's nothing at the back there. Okay, then I go into this, which is my Ola de paper dashboard page marker, which I love. The thickness, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the thickness is like, it's really good quality. I love it. And then I have just some lists that I'm tracking, like returns, a brain dump section. Again, this is Noted. Love it, love it. At the very back I have just some of the note paper that came with the planner, and then this is from Ash Plans. Love this as well. I printed it on some acetate and it came out so well. And then at the very back here just has some personal information that I won't show you, and a fly leaf here from an Etsy shop. And then these are the same, these are from Sesame. Absolutely nothing in the back. I don't use a pen loop, and in fact I push all of the inserts on top of the pen loop so that it doesn't interfere with the dividers and things like that. But this is it, guys. This is my planner. I absolutely love it. Oh, also just to add, this here is from Cloth and Paper, and it is their like ruler insert that's like of the glass material, and I've literally just flipped it upside down because this tab took up too much room at the top here, so it's literally become a bottom tab marker for my monthly overview. So I'm able to flip to it very easily, and yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed. Please do make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.